warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will understand the ayah number 33 and 34 of the Surah Al-Baqarah. In this verse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لهم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. And previous verse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took test of the angels. He asked them to tell the names of the everything, what is in the universe, and the angels couldn't tell, and angels replied to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we don't know, we have knowledge what you provide us, and you are the owner of the knowledge and the wisdom. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala called Ya Adam Anbi'hum bi asma'ihim falamma anba'ahum bi asma'ihim. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said to Adam, you tell us the name. He falamma anba'ahum, when he told him bi asma'ihim name, قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said to angels, I was told you, I know the secrets of the sky and of the earth. إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. And next, ayat number 34, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَإِذْ قُلْنَا, then we said, لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ, to angels, to do down your head, like do sajda, لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسِ. All angels did this sajda, illa Iblis, except Iblis, he didn't do sajda. He was the master of the angels, illa Iblis. أَبَا وَاسْتَكْبَرَ وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ. And he became from disbeliever because he denied the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made Adam, he told the name of everything, and then he tested the angels. He said, all angels, you just down your head front of Adam, and all angels did, but one Iblis, he didn't do sajda, he didn't down his head front of Adam. So وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ, due to the denying the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he became from disbelievers because he has arrogance. So that's why Allah is telling us, if you will deny and you have arrogance, you will become the disbeliever. No matter how good you are and how good you in deeds, even you, if you are the master of the angels, you can become from disbeliever if you deny the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thank you very much.